guys, Daddy Tim here with
Natahsa.
back with some DadVice. Now in this episode, we're gonna teach you how to
Sneeze.
and
Cough.
cough properly, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you cough or sneeze, do not just sneeze or cough like this. Hey Natahsa, can I borrow your homework? I'm sorry, I'm coughing. Achoo! Achoo! Okay, do not do that. Also, do not sneeze into your hands, because what happens?
If you sneeze on your hands and if you shake someone's hand.
Or if I cough on my hand. Achoo! Hi, nice to meet you.
Is there something on your hand?
No, it's just snot.
The next day, you're gonna be like this. I feel so sick.
So the way you should cough or sneeze is,
On your arm.
and we call this the
Vampire sneeze.
do the vampire sneeze. Shoo! Do the vampire cough.
It's called the vampire cough and sneeze because when you sneeze, you go like this and it's like your cape.
Yeah, like a vampire.
And you can also sneeze or cough on your arm because when you shake someone's hand, nobody will be like,
Achoo! Hi.
Hi, nice to meet
you. So you'll never spread the germs.
Yeah.
Alright, this has been Daddy Tim with my daughter.
Natahsa.
Thanks for watching, and if you guys could please like the video, because we really need some likes and subscribers actually. We need subscribers more. So subscribe to my channel and her channel, Natahsa YT. I'll put the link below. Please click on the notification bell so you guys never miss a video. Alright, talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.